Hey Svelte family, Coach Greg here. If you are trying to maybe increase your endurance, maybe get your sweat on, then I have some best exercises that are gonna help you boost your cardio. This is gonna be completely standing, no equipment needed, just you and I, some water, and a flat surface, and we're gonna have some fun. So let's get started. We are gonna start off strong with some seal jacks. Now you have the normal jumping jack like this overhead, but with seal jacks, you are going to be clapping in front of you like a seal, just like this. This is a great warm-up exercise, but also full body because you're working out your arms, your core, your legs, everything. Now, if doing a normal jumping motion is too difficult, you can step out to the side. All right, seal jacks in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Really extend your arms in front of you. Just like this. And again, if this is too difficult for you, you could just step out to the side, bam. Just like this. We're trying to increase our cardio, baby. So let's keep a nice, steady tempo. Doing great. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Shake out your arms, shake out your legs, because next we have some butt kicks. We want to stand up nice and tall, and the goal is to bring our heel to our butt like that. But the goal is we really want to be making sure we're working out this side. So don't try to just like throw your leg back. All you really need is this motion right here. You want to contract hamstring. So boom, we're trying to get this. So don't worry so much about the full range of motion. Even something like this, you're really going to feel it in your glutes and your legs. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Just like that. Just kick that leg on back. Go at a tempo that works for you. I already feel the fatigue setting in. I'm like, dang, I feel it. But hey, if we're trying to grow our legs, grow our butte, then these are the kind of stuff that we do. There it is. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Moving right along, we have high knees. So we just did this version, the backwards motion. Now we're focusing on boom. Building for hip flexors, building for quads. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Stand up nice and tall, core tight, back flat. I like to use my hands as a guide as I drive that knee high. Bring it up. Really pull. You're gonna feel it in your core as well. Hip flexors are gonna thank you for exercising them. You're gonna start sweating soon. Heart rate's gonna be going up. It's gonna be beautiful. We're doing it. We're having fun. We're working out in the comfort of our own home / apartment gym. Couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Last but not least, we have squat twists. Come on, let's have some fun with it. We can't do a cardio workout without doing some squat twists. You know this, maybe you don't, but squat twist, twister right there is simple. Feet pass shoulder width apart. We're gonna drop into a squat. Doesn't need to be an all the way down to the ground squat like a quarter squat will do. We squat. As we come up, we are twisting to the side, coming back down, just like so. So 30 seconds, and here we go. So squat, bam, twist, squat, twist. This is a nice full body. You're gonna feel it. I like to keep my palms up as if I'm trying to get my pinkies to twist over just so that my arms are fully extended. There it is. I tend to try to look over my back shoulder. Really helps me twist. Boom. You're doing amazing. Couple more seconds here. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. That was your first set. Ooh. Am I tired? Is my cardio boosted? Heck yeah, it is. Let's grab some water. Let's get started soon with set number 2.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.
Second set is about to start. You now know what you are doing. So let's turn up the music. Let's have some fun and let's boost that cardio. Seal jacks, 3, 2, 1, go. Butt kicks, 3, 2, 1, go. High knees, 3, 2, 1, go. Squat twist, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, second set done. Let's grab some water and then let's get started. Let's go right into set number 3. All right, last set, best set, come on. I know you're sweaty and tired like I am, but we got one more set to go, starting right now. Seal jacks, 3, 2, 1, go. Butt kicks, 3, 2, 1, go. High knees, 3, 2, 1, go. Squat twist, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. Give yourself one of these and one of these. You earned it. That was your best exercises for boosting cardio. Not gonna lie, I feel pretty boosted. Hopefully you do too. Leave comments, let us know what you like, what you don't like, what you want more, what you want less of. Either way, we just want to hear from you. Coach Mayor, Coach Gabby, Coach Greg, that is moi. Also go ahead and click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping. Without further ado, I'm Coach Greg. I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.